So you want to glide one number into another over time. That's FInterp To. It makes a value feels like they have momentum. Instead of health instantly snapping back up, stamina easing. Instead of UI bar filling up, bar animates. Now to get this node, just right click and type in FInterp To. And in this node, we have target, current value, delta time, interp speed, and return value. We will discuss in a bit. Let's just remove it and see our logic over here. So we have event tick, and we are taking an execution pitch from there and setting it to a variable which is called value. It's a float, by the way, and we are setting or taking the current value as a float current value, which is 0 for now, and target is 100 with the delta time being delta seconds and interp speed of zero point 0.5. Let's just compile it, see it for now. Actually increases the number. So as you can see on the screen, it is increasing but not by 0.5 because actually the interp speed is something else. We will explain it in some different video, but for now, as you can see on the screen, it is increasing the value very gradually. It's not snapping at all, and as soon as it reaches its target, it's just easing it. It's not just completing by achieving the target of 100. It's slowly increasing, it's slowly going towards 100, but it's not touching 100 as you can see on the screen. So this is how this FInterp To actually works. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.